So today, let's talk about using client satisfaction surveys to generate reviews. You want to start by designing a simple survey to gauge client satisfaction. Keep it brief with clear questions about their experience. Use a mix of rating scales and open-ended questions like, on a scale of 1 to 10, how satisfied were you with our legal services? And what did you like most about working with us? You want to distribute these surveys via email really quickly after your case concludes. You also want to provide a survey link on the website and through follow-up phone calls, text messages, and the like. Now, for those who provide positive feedback, guide them to leave a review at the end of the survey. Include a thank you message and a direct link to the Google review page. Say maybe, we're glad you had a positive experience. Please consider sharing your feedback on Google. Now, using a CRM like Go High Level automates this process. So positive reviews go to Google, while less favorable feedback might trigger a follow-up to address concerns, ensuring only the best reviews get posted. Now, you can't gatekeep, so you still have to let them, if a bad review comes in, post it. But there are ways that you can go about it so that that might not happen. If you found this helpful and you'd like to get more information about how to generate reviews, SEO, lead gen, and the like, contact us at lawfirmignite.com.